friends, welcome back again to OSP Pro. This is going to be our new video still on app development. If you remember the last video I showed you guys on my app, if you happen to type OSP, to take you straight to our app development. Now nowadays this is coming up with the Android app, but of hybrid apps. So if you know you're interested for Android apps, please make sure you go to OSP Pro, you subscribe to our channel, and please come in, and then you get to you enroll yourself for a short course in Android development. Now please just make sure you go to my video on my YouTube channel, then you can go to the playlist and then you select app, the development, the apps. You get? So the videos are there for apps. So now without wasting time, let me just take you back into what I'm talking about. Now this is the app I'm developing, and I'm just going to show something later. I'm using one known as app.js. So app.js is also another library that we use for making up hybrid apps and Android apps, and this is how responsive it is like. If I just click here, I think you can see, and I think you can even see this side as it is behaving on my app. When I just click, so it just behaves just like an app. So cool, man. It's too nice, my friend. So if you find that you'd like to use these apps and learn how to make apps like this, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please come back and then watch them. So today I'm just showing the responsiveness because I'm working on the coding for the complete kind of I would simply say we're trying to make that part of the app to be kind of nice, so that a given user can just come in and then try to take it if you want. So if you know you're a given user and you like these apps, please make sure you come to OSP Pro, and then you get these apps. I think you can see it's really look nice. So if you check this button, and this button says create account. So when you click create account, it takes to this panel, and on this panel you have this registration button, and if you click back here, it takes to this panel. And to show that this app is 100%, if I try to move this is what I mean, it is 100%. It behaves like Facebook. I hope you guys know Facebook. So if you find this app very interesting for you guys, make sure you just enroll for OSP iDigital Solution, and you come in and learn Android development, and you can test in different platforms so that you can find which one is suitable for you. So if you're using this one here, you'll get something like that. If you get maybe this one, wow, that's too cool, nice. If you also use that platform, so this is how this one looks like, and also has back somewhere there. And if you try to cross check, the app looks like that. So if an app here to protect you with this, with that, it brings it by default, and it's always centered there. So guys, if you find this interesting for you, please make sure as members you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you guys will find ourselves in the better place. So guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please make sure just from today start learning one on us app.js with OSP. So the major things happen to using this app development. I used html5, jquery-mobile, javascript, and I also happen to use app.js, then 0.js also, then with our bootstrap and w3css. So you guys, if you find this interesting, please make sure you come in and then learn to know the coding. If you know you like it, please you can send me down your email address, then I can always send you a link to where you can download the video in my YouTube channel. So please just make sure you comment down, subscribe, comment, then I give you the links. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all. Thank you.